Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we're going to discuss or talk about inserting smart graphic arts in your Word document. So let's jump right in. Let's start. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, welcome to ICT 5. Okay, so our lesson is about working with smart graphics or smart art graphics. How to insert smart art graphics sa inyong Word document. So ito yung mga objectives. We have these objectives. Define smart art. Know the steps in inserting smart art in the documents. And design and format smart art graphics using the smart art tools. Okay, so ano nga bang smart art? What is smart art? Smart art graphic is a visual representation of information. In MS Word, we can quickly and easily create smart art graphics. Ito po yan. So may iba-ibang klase ng smart art graphics. And different purposes. If you want to list down ideas, show a process, a cycle, a hierarchy, or want to show a relationship, matrix, pyramid, using pictures. Okay, so how to insert smart art graphic? So first step in inserting the smart art graphics. So first is select the insert tab from the ribbon, then select the smart art button in the illustration. Just click the insert tab, then choose smart art. Nasa ribbon yan, yung malaking part ng Word document. So just click the insert tab and then click smart art. Next is choose a category on the left pane. Select the desired smart art graphic, then select the OK button. Okay, ito po yun. Once you click the smart art graphic, there are many dito choices. And also once you click this, if you want to list down ideas, information, or show a process, there are different formats here. You can choose different formats. Like this. So once you clicked the smart art graphic, the desired format, that will appear in your document. The smart art graphic will appear in your document. Now, what are the steps to add text? To add text to a smart art graphic, we select the smart art graphic. Then the smart art task pane will be displayed on the left, or will display on the left. If it does not, select the arrow found on the left side of the graphic to display the smart art task pane. Then type the text to each bullet on the task pane. The text will be displayed in the graphic observe that it will resize to fit inside the shape. Siyempre, kung mahaba yung text na ilalagay mo, hindi siya kakasya doon. Liliit po yung font size niya. Okay, it will affect the font size of the text if you encoded long phrases or sentence na yung nilagay mo. So, mas maganda words lang. Isang word, dalawang words, or isang phrase lang. Maliit. Kakasya sa doon sa box. Okay. Here are the steps to add shapes. So to add a shape to a Smart Art graphic, we just select the Smart Art graphic, then select the Smart Art Tools Contextual Design tab. So once you click the Smart Art graphic, select this. As you can see on the screen, this is how it looks like when you select the Smart Art graphic, then select Smart Art Tools Contextual Design tab. So allocate where to add the new shape, select the shape. Then select the Add Shape button in the Create Graphic group. A drop-down menu will appear. So type the text to the bullet on the task pane to display the text in the new shape. How to design? What are the design groups? It is divided into different groups. First, okay, we have 4 groups of design tab. It is divided into 4 groups. First is the Create Graphic group. Ito po yung kanyang itsura. Okay, pwede ka mag-add shape, add bullet, text pane, yan. Gawa ka talaga ng graphic. Next is the layouts group. Yan. Choose different layouts. And Smart Art group. You can change the colors, the styles. There are different styles. You can change the styles of your Smart Art and also the colors. We have also the Reset group. Okay, the format groups. Okay, there are 4 groups of the Smart Tools Contextual Format tab. Okay, we have 4 groups. We have the Shape group, Shapes group. Yan, ito po yun. You can change the shape. Pwede mo siyang palakihin, paliitin. Or you can edit it in 2D. We have the Shape Styles group. Yan, different shape styles. We have also the Word Art Styles group. We have the Arrange group. You can arrange, change the position of the Smart Art on your document. We have also the Size group. You can also edit the size, format the size of your Smart Art. Okay. So once you click insert, lalabas na yan. Okay, ito po yung activity nyo. Syempre, you need to apply and practice how to insert Smart Graphic Art. Okay, so this is your first activity. We create the water cycle. So using Smart Art Graphic, create your own version of the diagram. Then use the appropriate category of the Smart Art for the water cycle. Use the Smart Art tools to design and format the diagram. And once you're done, have done editing, then save the document. So you can search po. There are images naman po ng water cycle. Next is create your own family tree using Smart Art Graphic. So ito yung instructions. Choose a partner from your seatmates. Then know more about your partner. Talk to him or her about his or her family members. Then you may ask the following questions. Use these questions. How many are you in the family? How many siblings do you have? Are you the eldest or the youngest? So these are important information that you will be needing when creating your own smart art graphic of your partner's family tree. So after that, open MS Word. Then using Smart Art Graphic, create a diagram of your partner's family tree. Then use the Smart Art tools to design and format the diagram. And once you have done editing, inserting, and putting all the information in that, including all the information that you needed, then save the document. Okay, that's it. So let me share another. Let me share my document. Dito siya. Ito kasi MS 2019. So magkaiba 'yon. Magkaiba yung feature na MS 2016. So dito hindi mo siya makikita. So dito click nyo lang, ito yung ribbon. Okay? Click nyo lang yung insert tab. Lalabas po ito. Yan. So, click Smart Art. So, dito, ang lumabas is ito. Select lang the diagram type. Ayan. So, ito siya. Iba siya doon sa 2016. So, pwede nyo gamitin ito. Itong organization chart. Click nyo lang yan. Then, pwede kayo mag-edit dyan. Yan dito. Sa organizational chart. Okay. So, yun lang. So, gamit na lang kayo ng version ng MS Word 2016 or 2013. Kasi yun yung nandun sa PowerPoint na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Okay, yun lang. Bye-bye. If you have questions po, just comment on sa comment section. Thank you po.